Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money on Facebook. Let's begin. Making money on Facebook can be approached through various methods, leveraging its wide user base and diverse features. And we are here to give you 10 effective methods to consider so that you can grow your audience and, of course, make money on Facebook. Now, the first thing that you need to realize is that if you haven't already, sign up for the Facebook business account. And if you haven't done yet, click on the upper right corner wherein you can log in with your Facebook account. Now, if you haven't already, I need you to click the sign up for Facebook, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Facebook has billions of active users worldwide, offering a vast potential of audience for promoting products or services. Now, starting to make money on Facebook often requires minimal initial investment compared to traditional businesses. Many methods such as selling on Marketplace, which we are going to do right now, can help you generate an income here. For example, I'm gonna go to a certain marketplace right now. Now, here on Marketplace, I can sell products locally or nationally by listing them on Facebook Marketplace. It's a free platform where you can reach a large audience interested in buying. For example, I'm going to create a new listing right here. You can simply choose the listing type. For example, I am creating a single listing for one or more items to sell. All right, let me do with that right now. Because, for example, I have like unused items in my home and I just want to dispose it. Now, from here, you can add photos if you wanted. Now, I'm going to put in some title right here. Like add price. If you wanted. Now, obviously, you need to choose some category here. Like, I don't know, like video games perhaps. And condition is going to be like used like new. And of course, you can put in as much as information as you can. And from here, you click on next. What will happen is, of course, you can put all the information here. And of course, you're going to be able to reach a large audience interested in buying one of your items. All right. Now, the next option that you can do in terms of the Facebook is that you can simply join a Facebook groups related to your niche or interests. For example, you're into apartments and real estate. You might want to join this New York City gypsy housing, apartments and rooms and sublets, selling Hoboken and a lot more. Because from here, you can promote products, build relationship, engage with members or services that align with your group's interest, right? For example, I'm gonna try to join the group for New York City apartments. As you can see, I can simply cancel requests if I don't want to continue with the joining the group. And from there, obviously, if you have like any services that you wanted to promote, you might want to join the community from there, all right? The next option is you might want to join some affiliate marketing on Facebook page, profile or groups, because from here you can earn commissions for every sale made through your affiliate links. Now, there are two types of affiliate. One is for the content creators for Facebook and Instagram, and the other affiliate program is about business partners wherein you can sell products from a shop on Instagram and you can create an affiliate program allowed to creators to share your products and earn commissions. All right, all you're gonna do is make sure that you're eligible for a commission and the label will automatically apply to affiliate posts and creators will be paid monthly. Now, the next thing that you can exploit here on Facebook is the Facebook ads. Now, if you have a business or products to sell, you might want to consider using Facebook ads to target specific demographics. You can promote your products, services, or even content to reach a wider audience and generate sales. Now, you have an option here to create an ad. If you wanted, you will be forwarded to another page wherein you can promote any specific type of product, be it digital, coaching services, and a lot more. Once you are here, all you're gonna do is create your first business portfolio so you can get it set up to advertise, start creating your first ad. Now, once your Facebook ads has been created, you would be able to have the dashboard wherein you can promote your products, services, or even content to reach a wider audience and generate sales. Now, the next option is, now another way for you to monetize and earn money here in Facebook is, of course, using the Facebook Live. I need you to click on the live video button here because host live sessions to demonstrate products, offer tutorials, or provide insights. You can engage directly with the viewers. You can build trust and promote products or services during or after the live session. Especially if you have a large following on your Facebook page, you can monetize it through their branded content, sponsored posts, or collaborations with other brands. All right. Now, after that, you might want to go into the freelancing groups or pages to offer your skills and services, whether it's writing, programming, design, or any other skill. You can find potential clients, companies, and projects that you can work with. For example, here, I'm going to search some groups and I'm going to type in maybe freelancing inside USA. Let me search for that. Now I'm looking for the groups. Okay, so here are some worlds of freelancers, freelancing with Fiverr, Upwork, Fiverr, freelancers worldwide, freelancing in USA, freelancing groups, and a lot more. And from here, obviously, if you are a graphics designer, and programming, and a customer service, and a lot more, a photo editor, and a voice narration, you can find potential clients and companies and projects that you can work with. Other than that, you can also promote and sell digital products such as ebooks. You can also sell like online courses, stock photos, templates, etc. And you can share valuable content related to your products to attract potential buyers. Now, as you can see, this is going to be some subscription and digital products that you can promote here in Facebook. Allowed is all the authentic audio or video CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray, digital devices, including smartphones, video games, and TVs. Of course, these are not allowed here when promoting in Facebook. Now, let me tell you, to succeed with any of these methods, you need to focus on building a strong presence on Facebook. That's number one. It's very important. Now, engaging authentically with their audience and providing value. Consistency and creativity in your approach will also play a crucial role in your success. And ultimately, the reasons to make money on Facebook are tied to its massive user base. You can leverage its platform, exhaust and utilize all means. You can diverse monetization opportunities and the ability to reach and engage with potential customers or clients in so many innovative ways. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.